radios, televisions, music players, and more. Meet Akio Morita, a curious Japanese scientist and business leader who helped turn a tiny workshop into the world-famous company Sony. He was born on January 26, 1921, in Nagoya, Japan. He was the eldest child in a family that had made traditional Japanese products for many generations. Akio's family expected him to continue their sake brewing business, but he was fascinated by science, sound, and machines. His dream was to explore the exciting world of technology. He studied physics at Osaka Imperial University. He learned how electricity, sound, and scientific experiments worked. These lessons would later help him understand brand new electronic inventions. During the Second World War, Akio worked as a technical officer. In 1945, he met a talented engineer named Masaru Ibuka. The two men quickly discovered that they shared big ideas. In May 1946, Akio and Ibuka founded the Tokyo Telecommunications Engineering Corporation. It began with about 20 workers, limited money, and one enormous supply: imagination. The young company did not have a giant factory or expensive equipment. Its team experimented, solved problems, and learned from mistakes. Akio believed that difficult challenges could lead to clever ideas. In 1950, the company launched Japan's first magnetic tape recorder, called the G-type. At first, many people did not understand why they needed it, so Akio demonstrated its usefulness. Next came transistor radios. They were much smaller than old radios filled with bulky vacuum tubes. In 1955, the company launched Japan's first transistor radio, the TR-55. In 1957, the TR-63 radio was introduced. It was small enough to carry around and became an important overseas success. Music and news could now travel with their listeners. The company needed a short name that people in many countries could say. In 1958, it became Sony Corporation. The name combined ideas connected with sound and youthful energy. Akio dreamed of making Sony an international company. In 1960, Sony Corporation of America opened in New York. It was a bold step for a young Japanese electronics business. Akio knew that inventions were not only about wires and buttons. They had to be useful, enjoyable, and easy to understand. He listened carefully to how people lived, worked, and played. In 1979, Sony introduced the Walkman. Masaru Ibuka had wanted a portable way to enjoy music, and Akio strongly supported turning the idea into a product for young listeners. Fun fact, some Sony teams suggested different names for the Walkman outside Japan. Akio believed the original name should stay, and before long, Walkman was recognized around the world. Akio Morita passed away from pneumonia on October 3, 1999, at age 78. His life showed that curiosity, teamwork, courage, and understanding people can help small ideas grow. He helped bring technology, music, and entertainment to people everywhere. Thanks for exploring history with PastPorts Kids. Like, subscribe, and join us for another amazing journey.